Distance, written as delta s, is a measure of how far something has moved. Displacement, written as delta s with a vector hat over it, represents the difference between where something is and where it was. As we shall see, these are not the same thing at all. Two students are going to have a race from here to here. The first student runs in a straight line from start to finish. The second student gets lost, but eventually finishes. Both students change their location in space. The red student traveled a certain distance and had a certain displacement. The blue student traveled a much greater distance, but still has the exact same displacement. Here are another set of points in space. They are 5 meters apart. Let's consider the distance and displacement of a few different example motions. Motion to the left will be considered negative. Motion to the right will be considered positive. In our first example, someone moves from the left to the right and stops. Along this red path, the person has moved a distance of 5 meters, and their overall displacement is positive 5 meters. Another person starts from the left, goes to the right waypoint, and then turns around and goes back to the left. This person went a distance of 10 meters while following their green path, but their displacement is 0. There is no difference between where they started and finished. This purple guy is lost. He starts on the left, goes to the right, changes his mind and goes to the left, only to come back to the right one more time. In doing all of this, he has moved a distance of 15 meters, but his displacement is only positive 5 meters. This is different. This gold guy starts on the right and goes to the left waypoint. He travels a distance of 5 meters, but his displacement is negative 5 meters. Let's end with a weird one. A blue guy starts on the left. While we're not paying attention, he moves, and when we check, he's on the right waypoint. We can see that his displacement is positive 5 meters, but we have no idea about the distance he traveled because we don't know the path that he took.